Okay. Alright, we finally made it out into the wild west. Oh my god. Oh my god, there are fish busting out in the middle. We're gonna grab a jerkbait rod and just go over to those busting fish. I have no idea why these fish are busting. I don't even know if they're bass. I don't know how deep the water is. Got one. Oh my god, that's a good fish. Oh my god. No, he came off. No, he's still on. He's still on. He's still on. He's still on. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Oh no, it's not. JK. 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 I was joking. There's a school out here busting though. Alright, come here, bud. First bass in quite some time. Please don't do what you're doing right now. That's exactly what I don't want you to do. How to target these deep fish is to get my fish finder working, but I'm too lazy. All right, let's get the release. All right, since they're blowing up on bait out deep, I'm gonna try to catch this fish that's been blowing up right here. Got him. That was so easy. That's not a bad one either. Look at that. Look at that, just skiing him in. Oh, that's not a bad fish. It's a good fish. Look at that fat boy. Sick. All right, we're marking him again. They're just out in these deep areas going crazy. And it's not even like they're holding to anything, they're just eating. Look at how crazy this is, all the stuff I'm marking. Yep, got one. That's a good fish. That's a really good fish. God, why do I keep thinking these are all such good fish? All right, come in, come in, come in. You fought good. I want to catch you though, because I haven't caught that many today. There we go. Got him. Look at that. No! He hooked my croc. He hooked my croc. And he's going nuts. No! Oh my god. Okay, so that happened. Thank you for hooking my croc and leaving me. Okay, we're gonna put up this jerkbait because all the hooks are broken. That is why you change your hooks. If those hooks hadn't bent out, I would have been able to actually like handle that fish, and B, wouldn't have looked like an idiot and hooked my croc. Oh, I just got crunched. Yep, got him. On the swim bait, first cast. They want it higher in the water. They don't want like a lower type deal. All right, come back here. This one we are putting in the boat and landing. These guys are fighting so hard. Come here. Got him. Got him. Nice fish. Number 4. Oh, there's a school that I just missed. Oh no, they're still under me. In 12 feet of water. They're just chasing around bait. Oh, I got one. There we go. Oh, that's a better one, I want to say. I don't want to say good fish because a lot of times they're not that good. And then I say good fish and then I look dumb. Look, he just doesn't care. Alright. Oh, now he realized he's hooked. Good job. You did it. Oh, there we go. He's fighting now. Okay. I just don't want to put him in the boat and have him freak out. Like, oh no, he's still chill. Alright. Good fish. Caught him out deep. Woo. Oh my god! We're marking fish, boys. We're marking them everywhere. We're marking fish everywhere. Right there. That's something big blowing up on some bait. Come on. Yep, got one. There's another one blowing up right behind it. I still have this one. That other one is huge though. Oh, he only has one hook in him. One hook. Stay down. There's more fish blowing up by my side. Okay. 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 Don't pull the hook. 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 Oh, Jesus. There's a big one right there. There's a big one. Okay. Okay. We landed this one. Landed. Okay. We're going to try to catch that other one. All right. Got him. Good fish right here. Back in this. All right. We're seeing lots of bait. Okay, they're behind me. All right, they're behind me. Oh, I got another fish. I see him. Underwater. Aw, dude, I love bass fishing. All right, come here. He's like the exact same size as that other fish. Oh, he's barely hooked. Get in here. Look at that. Just came off. Oh my God! Yep, there's one blowing up right there. Right where it just casted. Come on, turn around and eat it. Yeah, I just watched him flash on it. He ate it. On. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, there's another one that just ate right next to him. Come here. Come here. Oh, come here. All right, in you go. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get him freed. I just almost got him up. F off, fish. Bud, I love you, but what you're doing right now is unacceptable. This guy was a pain to take off the hook. Good fish though. Oh my God. What? Someone snagged him.
Holy he survived.
Okay. Someone snagged him in the stomach right here.
Yeah, we're definitely not gonna kill him. He's a survivor.
All right. This guy's a survivor right here. Check that out. You deserve to be, you are a hero, bro. Little fishy. You did good. All right. Yes, he's alive. Dude, that was sick. That fish had a hook in. Dude, I bet he got snagged when people were like bed fishing, and they were just snagging them. That's such a terrible thing to do, to snag bedding bass. Like what? Oh, I'm gonna drop my anchor down with you because I am adrift in here. All right, get your ass down there. All right, fishing here has been off the chain. All right, what's going on with my Anky here? Ankylosaurus. Oh, I got one. Well, I was messing around with my anchor. What is that? Is that a bass? This black jerkbait, dude. So clutch. Black jerkbait for stained water. All right, he's gonna jump. There it is. That's his last fight. Oh, he is a skinny boy. Oh, my rod almost went in the water. All right, got him. Okay, it took forever to get the hook out of this guy, and he pooped all over my boat, but I got him. Sorry, bud. Oh, look at all that poop. All right, come on. Come on. Whenever you're ready. Hey, he's all right. All right, we're bringing up the anchor. Hoist the anchor! All right, let's go.
Oh, you know what I'm gonna put on my bait ball spinnerbait, or maybe even a bait ball cranker.
Yeah, because then you can make like an artificial like school that they can eat. That's what they're doing, which is why I'm... Oh, I got one. Oh, I got a gar. I have a gar. Will, bring your cooler over here. He's hooked pretty good.
What the hell? I put one bass tank.
It's wrapped around his nose. It's bring it. Will, bring it. Actually, wait. Okay, this is precision. I'm gonna put him in the water of my boat.
That will stun him. That will keep him alive. It'll stun him.
Holy crap. Okay. All right, into the center console you go.
It's pregnant. We gotta get that in my pond.
Holy crap. We did it. I broke my chair. He's actually...
When we go to eat?
He's actually like legit hooked too. Jesus! Chill! Chill! Alright? Chill.
Film?
Yeah.
Wait, get more water out of the lake. Did you check everything in the water?
No. Ah! Stop! Stop!
Oh shit. Gone.
Alright, we got some new rigs. Shallower fishing. Will, get off of my boat. Alright, let's fish. There's a good cat. No, the creek isn't that good. I went up it in the morning, yeah. Got one. Oh my god, that's a good fish. Really 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 good fish. Please be recording. Yes, really good fish. Really good fish. Oh my god. Good fish, good fish. Okay. Oh my god. Good fish. He's going behind me. He's going behind me. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Dude, dude. He's gonna bend out my hooks. That's a good fish. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's a good fish. He's hooked on top of the head.
Is this bigger than ones we're catching at Shabal?
Wait for it, wait for it.
5-pounder?
It's like a good 3.5. Nah, like a 3. Still a really good fish. Oh, no, no, no. No, don't do that. Don't be doing that, bro. Freaking 12-pound test.
Follow that up from up shallow.
Big Florida largemouth. That's what I'm thinking. All right, we're gonna go for a landing. No, no, no. Bad fish. Come here. Come here, you big, beautiful largemouth bass. Yes, sir. Got him. Check out that, dude. That thing is a stud. That's like a good 3.5. That's such a nice fish. This is why you fish in Florida right here. Look at that. You wanna go? Whenever you wanna go. It's your decision. That's sick, dude. Let's go away in the back.
What?
Let's go way back there. Oh, I've got one. Yeah, but how would we get the boats across?
We can carry one at a time across.
Dude, you know how heavy mine is? Uh-oh. Okay, I gotta focus on the fish. Sorry. Alright, come here. That was weird. I didn't even see him, like, on the graph, or... I didn't really see anything. Not bait. Little baby boy. This shallow pattern is questionable. So there are fish back here? Oh my god, I just got bit. Is he still on? Yep, he's on. Got him. Little baby on the craw. I pitched it back in there.